Okay, so this is question 2. It says match the following responses to the relevant stages of information processing. Now, if you have a question like this in your exam, don't leave it blank, okay? It's giving you the options and it's giving you the 3 spaces. So here you've got 33.3% chance of getting this correct, even if you don't know what it is, okay? So we need to link the information processing model to the examples. So the first one I would go for personally, I know that anytime there's a sense, whether I can see something, whether I can smell something, whether I can touch something, it relates to input. So if we look at the second one here, it says the player senses the speed and spin and flight of the ball. Now that sense word is giving me the indication, right, that is input. So the second one here is input. Then the bottom one, the player has to quickly opt on the most appropriate return. He hasn't made the return, he has to opt to do it. So that becomes then the decision making. The first one, because he's executed the shot, that's the output, because he's actually done it, okay? Down here, he was opting to do it. Then we got B, give 2 reasons to explain how feedback helps the learning process. So only 2 reasons, okay? So have a think, why do you need feedback? Why do teachers give you feedback? What does it help you do? Okay, so the examiner's looking for 2 things. Is it going to help you improve? Is it going to help you improve your skill set? Do you know what you need to do to improve? Okay, so 2 reasons needed there. Now this one down the bottom, 2B2, describe how a teacher or coach should present feedback to a sports performer. The following words may help. What, how and when. So we need to refer back to this question here, okay, where it says, suggest 4 ways how feedback should be presented. Now we can use the information we put here into this question. So just making 3 points, okay? When should the feedback be received? Does it need to be received immediately or does it need to be received in the future? How? Do we want it to be positive? Do we want it to be negative? Do we want it to be constructive? And what feedback? It has to be relevant. We look at specific all the time. Is there a point of you receiving feedback that has nothing to do with you? Okay, so it needs to be personalised. There's 3 points you can write there for that answer.